when it comes to competency, there are two types of competency. One is called foundational competency, another is called technical competency. The foundation competency is common for all the people. Say for example, the first level of competencies are reliability, dependability, interpersonal skills. So this is required for whatever job, whichever job that you are joining. So unless you possess, unless nika viswasaniyata 𝗪𝗓𝗧 𝗪𝗓𝗧 ante how many times you do things, results will be the same. That is called reliability. Dependability is just viswasaniyata, means this person is dependable. So whatever work that is given to him, he will definitely do it. Interpersonal skills, because you also need certain skills, self skills, to do certain tasks. Say for example, you need computer skills, writing skills, listening skills, speaking skills. All these things are required. They are called soft skills as well as some skills related to the technical aspects. The third one is, the third level covers a little higher one, that is called problem solving skills as well as teamwork. So these are also common to many professions. So in all professions you have to solve, understand the problems, debug the problems, try to find solutions for those problems, and you have to work with many people. You are not working alone, but you are going to work with a team. Because when you are working with a team, you have to maintain good relationship with those people. If somebody is lagging, you should be in a position to extend help and support for him and carry out that work. If that type of team building attitude is not there, you cannot perform well in a company, in a common environment.